Okay, back to the video. So in today's video, we are going to be sharing about the 8 elements of a sales copy, the 8 things you need to know when you are trying to write a better copy. Okay, so that is what we are going to be discussing in this video. So please take your biro, take your notepad, anything that you want to use to take on this on these things that I'm going to share with you. Please take on those things and let's go into that. So the 8 elements of a sales copy is: number 1, be the fun. Be the fun. Make sure you write something that is fun for people to read. Make sure that you write something that is fun to connect with your audience better, because if you are just boring, if your headline is boring, if everything about your copy is boring, then I'm sorry, you are not going to make any money. And also, even your clients are not going to take on are not going to hire you, because when you are trying to pitch to them, you must be fun. You must try to connect with them what they like. Okay, you must try to connect with them. So number 2 is take away their power. Take away their power by also telling them that it is not their fault that these things are happening to them. Blame other source, blame the government, blame their company, blame their environment. That is how you can take away their power and connect with their emotions, connect with their what they believe. So take away their power by telling them that it's not their fault. Blame other things so that they will actually connect with you. People don't like people to blame them. That's the truth. But if you can blame other people, they will say, that's it. So take away their power by blaming other sources. So that's for number 2. So number 3, this one is very critical. This one is very, very critical. Expand the gravity of their problem. So what do I mean by this? Expand, increase the gravity, increase their problem by making it look like it's so bad for them having that problem. After you might have take away their power, then you increase their problem so that it will, like, they will want to take on the offer you are trying to promote to them immediately after reading your copy. Take away the problem, expand their problem, rather expand it so they can be so that it can be so obvious that they are having this particular problem. Take away their expand the gravity of their problem and pitch your solution. Okay, when you take away the problem, then you pitch your solution. So that's it for number 3. So number 4 is show them what is the problem and the solution. Show them what is the problem and pitch your solution, and pitch your product as the solution. That's number 4. I hope you get what I'm saying. So number 3 was expand their problem. Then number 4 is, after you expand their problem, number 4 is show them the solution by pitching your own offer. So let the solution be tied to your own offer so that they will know that there is no way of them going into this thing. There is no way of them going out of their problem without taking your offer. Okay, without taking your offer. But always give them an option to choose from, because if you are trying to promote your product, like if you are looking salesy, people will not actually take on your offer because they will know that this guy is looking for what to eat. Yes, you heard me. So they won't buy from you. But if you make it very plain that they can know that you know what you are doing and you know what you are writing, then they will take on the offer. Okay, so number 5 is the hook. Tell them an enticing story that will attract their emotion, that will pin down their emotion to what you are trying to sell to them. Tell them a compelling story that will tell them from, let me say, an example of what your product can do, where this person was actually in, and how they move from one particular situation, one particular condition to the next condition using your product, using what you are trying to sell them, using your services. Okay, so if you are trying to sell weight loss product, or if you are selling supplements, you can tell them that this was this person at this stage, then after taking this product for 30 days or for 50 days or for 90 days, this is this person and this is the result. Okay, so you can tell them some compelling story like this that will help you to stand as an authority and to also interact with them to get their attention. So that was number 5. So number 6 is your manifestos. What do I mean by your manifestos? Your manifestos means your promises. Let your promises be legit. What will they lose if they don't take on this your offer? You need to outline what they will lose. Like sometimes I go through some as a copywriter, I test a lot of copies and I look at a lot of things some of my colleagues are writing. So they will give them an offer that they will say, if you don't take on this offer now, that the next 30 days, the next 10 days, the next minute, this video may not open again for you. So what you need to do is to watch this video from the first from minute 1 to the last minute. Okay, don't skip anything because of this or because of that. So you need to give them what they need to know, and you need to tell them that if you don't take on this offer within the 90 days, within this particular time, that this offer may increase or you may not see it again. So show them what they will lose, show them what they won't get, show them how their life will be in the next 10 years if they don't take on your offer. So that was number 6. So number 7 is your social proof. Yeah, I said that was it number 5? That was number 5. Tell them a hook them, tell them a story, and tell them how these people, how someone move from one stage to the next stage using your product. So you need to tell them all these things. Then after telling them all these things, you can show them a video. A video testimonial is one of the best testimonial in the world today, because video is literally trending all over the place. So you need to show them a social proof of what you are saying. This social proof, let it be numbers. Like you can tell them that, don't only tell them that a lot of people have used your product to move from this particular stage to the next stage. But if you can give them a specific number, that 100 people, 200 people, 300 people, 1,000 people, they will literally like want to buy from you, because they know that you yourself know how many products you have sell, how many people that have taken on your services, that get on your courses, on your training, and how they have moved from with the stage away to the next stage. So you need to give them social proof, and you need to be good about that. So the number 8, it was actually 7. Yeah, so the number 8 is shaving gums closing. This actually means you are interacting with them like they have already taken on this offer. You telling them that, oh, as you have taken this offer, this is this is that, this is a particular closing that you are interacting with your client, that they have already taken on this offer, telling them the benefit, how they can move from this stage to the next stage. So that was that for this video. So the next one is the 10 power banking blocks for copywriting. So please watch the next video so that you get to know that. Okay.